This aircraft, a CHC aircraft, was on its way from Aberdeen to the West Phoenix drilling rig. Around 3:30 p.m. this afternoon, the pilot sent out a mayday and performed a controlled ditching, essentially flew down low close to the water and brought this helicopter down on its belly. Thereafter, it sounds as if it was pretty much a textbook rescue. Those on board the helicopter were transferred to a life raft, and then through a combination of rescue helicopters and vessels, some of which were already in that area, some 32 miles southwest of Shetland, all 19 were taken out of the life raft and will presumably now be on their way back to the mainland. A matter of extreme concern, of course, for the North Sea oil and gas industry as a whole. As you'll know, it's not the first time we've had incidents involving helicopters, many of them very tragic over recent years. But just this year, there was the ditching, a similar episode with a helicopter. That turned out actually to be a false alarm that had suggested a non-existent system failure. But just in May this year, Jeremy, there was a CHC helicopter which was causing concern out on a rig because fuel samples were deemed not to be correct, appropriate, as they should be, and that helicopter subsequently had to be brought back to the mainland by vessel. They didn't want to fly it. So clearly many questions at this stage. Indeed, the oil and gas unions are already saying we want answers as to exactly what was wrong with this helicopter. They point out that there are two expert witnesses who can help with that, the pilot and the co-pilot. Yes, a matter of concern, but one of extreme relief, of course, that all 19 on board appear to have been safely accounted for and everything's okay.